Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how I do my nails at home, and I'll be using this kit from Modelones. So as you guys can see, they have the whole set, base coat, top coat, some poly gels, and also some gel pots. And underneath here, as you guys can see, they also include some gel remover, nail forms, nail tapes, and also cuticle remover, nail art tool, and also a cuticle pusher, dust brush, and finally a UV or LED lamp. So first, I'm just going to remove my gel nails using the remover. So I already filed the top layer of my nails, so I'm just gonna soak this up for 10 to 15 minutes. So after removing all the gel, I just lightly buff my nails and wipe my nails with some alcohol. So the next step will be base coat. I would apply this in a thin layer. You don't want to apply a thick layer because that would just leave a wrinkly layer. So make sure that you apply it in a thin layer. So after applying the base coat, you want to cure it for 30 seconds. So today I am just trying the gel pots. It's actually my first time, and all I can say is I prefer the ones that's in the bottle because it is much easier to apply. So after painting my nails, I would cure it for 30 seconds. And on the ring finger, I wanted to use this color just to see how it looks, and it turned out pretty good. So after curing each layer for 30 seconds, I would use this top coat, and for the top coat, I usually cure it for 1 minute. So this is the result, and I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.